Hello, buddy. Thanks for the question. So, easiest way to find the revenue calculator is at the top of Seller Central. There's a search bar. I actually don't know where to find it without doing it this way, but obviously I've bookmarked it. Is just type in revenue calculator. It will bring up a pop-up box on the right-hand side. Click revenue calculator again on the right-hand side, and then click revenue calculator for a third time, and it will take you to the revenue calculator. And then you can then bookmark it and you won't have to look for it again. So what you want to do, once you're on the the profitability or revenue calculator, what you want to do is paste your ASIN in here, click search, and then what it will do is it will bring up all of the figures in terms of what it is. So I just took this from the homepage of Amazon, so don't take this as a product that I'm selling. It will put in the lowest sales price here for you, and what it will do is it will break down the costs that Amazon are going to charge you. So here are your Amazon fees, or what I call your platform fees. The fee that Amazon charges essentially for selling the product on Amazon. You've then got your this one, which is your fulfillment fee, £3.33. So this is essentially the cost that Amazon has to send the product to the customer. And then your storage cost on a per monthly basis. And you can flip between January to September and October to December. So we can see here for this particular product, which sells at $23.99. Obviously, if you got your VAT in there as well, plus your costs. So you're going to come out with a net profit of £12.93 if you can get it for free. But obviously, let's just say, for example, we got it for 10 quid. You would then have a profit of £2.93, which is a 12 and a bit% margin. Any questions on the revenue calculator? It's fairly straightforward. And sorry, this is for Amazon FBA fulfillment. You can obviously do exactly the same over here for fulfillment by merchant, FBM, or MFN as it's sometimes called. So yeah, any questions on that, let me know. I will add to that these figures are estimated by Amazon. Your best bet from a fees perspective is to put the product into your inventory, and then on the far right hand side it will tell you what the fees will be. And then once you do actually do a test of that product, you can then check in your transactions view to see what fees you actually got charged, and then you can put those figures into the calculator and get your definitive workings out. But the revenue calculator is pretty accurate. It's sometimes slightly out, but I generally find it's fairly accurate in itself. If any questions, let me know.